It is hot in here. And I'm not just talking about me. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a very special Cinco de Mayo edition look. And we're gonna play with some colors. We're not gonna go like the traditional route I've seen a few people do where they do like the whole Mexican flag on their eye. No. We're going to switch it up and we're gonna do something wearable. Not to say you can't wear the Mexican flag on your eyeball, but something that I would wear out. I wouldn't wear that out. No! So I've been playing a little bit more with the ABH Brow Pomade, and will say I am a fan. How do you guys keep up with the maintenance? Like, do you wipe off the stuff you currently have on it? Because I know that the way I see them do, they grab a little bit, scoop it up, and then just put on the cap, and then make sure they coat the entirety of the brush. So that's the way I like to, we're scooping, and then we're coating the entirety of the brush. The way I like to start is I like to brush. I look very shiny. It's a skincare girl. So I brush my brows up and then I start at the middle of it. That's where I'm gonna put the most product, and then I'm gonna slowly work it forward, giving us hair-like brush stroke. And I'm using the Morphe 24A brush for this. Once we finally get to the top, we can slowly start brushing. Just making sure to brush lightly. And then, there we go. You see that? And then anything else, don't worry, we'll clean. And then the other brow. We'll just grab a little bit of what's left on the cap, make sure you coat, and then again, same process. We're just going to find the highest point of the brow, the arch. You just made one line and then slowly work it forward. And I want to work it forward and it's in like a slant, because that's kind of the way my brow goes. I'm following the way that my natural brow hairs form. When I get to the front of the brow, that's when I go back to being straight. And then any mistakes we will clean. So we're going to take our brush, it's a little flat edge brush. We're going to put a little bit of concealer on the back of our hand, enough to really coat and saturate the brush. Make sure we work it on both sides very evenly. And then we're going to get to cleaning.
Let's clean this up.
Just basically draw a line as carefully as you can underneath the brows. Like right at the tip. And then I like to bring that like that. And then with the other side, I like to drag it, like basically just one quick swoop. It's easier to do that on the top. I wouldn't recommend you try that on the bottom, mainly because it's a little bit easier to get something filled with concealer. You're not really aiming to. And there we have it. We have our first brow done. And then we're gonna grab a little bit of what's left. Again, same process, both sides. And then repeat the process on the next brow. And just clean up the center. And there, easy peasy, beautiful brows. So I know they look very, like I look like brows, no face, no nothing. But we're gonna do face first. I'm gonna use my HD Catrice Liquid Coverage Foundation. You see that? You see that? Okay, I should do the forehead before it goes onto my brows. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I think it touched it. Do you see that? What we're gonna do next is we're gonna conceal our under eyes. And we're using the NYX HD. We're just using a lot of HD products, I just realized. And we're gonna go in with the other side of our blendable, the cleaner spot. You see, it's looking a little bit more balanced now. So we're gonna set the face. Yeah, we're gonna set the face with our Wet n Wild powder, translucent photo focus, and we're gonna grab this side of the puff, and we're just gonna dip it. I like to press it in to make sure everything is, you know, nice and evenly coated. Again, press it in. We're setting the lids because we just primed with concealer. And the chin, the smile lines, all that. So we are going to bronze skin. So we're gonna take this Morphe little contour shaped. It's like at an angle, and it's fluffy. And we're gonna use our Glam Bronze in Icon. I still have the original packaging. Ooh, you see that? Man, only these cheekbones are real. It's the way I'm picturing this look. I want this to be the kind of look you can wear anytime, you know, like especially for this though. But the way I picture Cinco de Mayo is like, you know, oh, is it on a Tuesday? It's on a Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. Oh man, if we could go out. I swear, sometimes you can have your whole life planned out, but then God will be like, So this would be the look that maybe you guys can Zoom each other. This is gonna be the look that you turn on the webcam while you're all drinking your tequila, getting drunk via FaceTime, via Zoom, via Instagram Lives if you have those parties. This is that look, you know? So we're gonna go in with Kylie Cosmetics, Baddie on the Block. We're gonna take fluffy brush and just love. No, I wanted to use this one. Can you tell? If you did it to one, you gotta do it to the other, but then I'm gonna top it off with a different one. So I just got this in the mail today. This is the Alamar Cosmetics blush, and I want to use Seclusion, like a mixture of Seclusion and Isla. So one, ooh, and it's shimmery. Good, because now I don't have to feel bad about not highlighting. Yeah, good choice. Now we're gonna do the eyes, okay? The eyes are very exciting. I am gonna be using my Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette. And I already started playing with it, so it's a little not that brand new. I used it for an Instagram video, but I think I want to use the green in here, like, you know, something like that. Like, I think this is filled with colors that you can definitely work with. So I want something to give me a little bit of definition, so I'm going to go in with portrait mode and this Morphe E27 brush. And this is only going to be for definition, so you could also use your bronzer with this. We're gonna go in with All Access, which is this top shimmery shade right here. And we're gonna put this all over the lid. I might just go in with my finger. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Sometimes shades like this. Oh my god, yeah. And it has like a gold accent to it. Oh, it's like white. A white shade, like a white base with gold accents. You see that? Oh, so easy. And then we're gonna go in with, we're gonna first line our waterline. I know I'm all over the place. We're gonna line our waterline with a black liner. I'm just using e.l.f. black waterproof gel eyeliner. Use whichever black liner you have. we're gonna go in with our Morphe E213 brush. It's this teeny tiny brush. And we're gonna go in with the shade Grwm. And it's this green one right here. And we're going to smudge this against black. You see how that just like sucks you in? Yeah. That's what this one does. That's what I mean. We're gonna take, only because I can't stop staring at it and I feel like it's like sucking me in because it wants my attention. We're gonna grab Invite Only. It's this beautiful shimmer. It's like chunky glitter. Do I see pink in here? This might mess it up. Do you see that? Oh. Yeah, no, this is a great idea. And this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to place it on the inner corners. Do you see that? Do you see this? Oh yeah. And now we're going to prepare for eyeliner. We're going to say a little prayer first, because we definitely want to do, if we skimp out on anything, it's not going to be eyeliner. I'm not sure I can do the other one. I'm never sure. So next thing we're gonna do mascara. Yeah, mascara. We're gonna do mascara and then we're gonna move on to the lips. We're gonna go in with our L'Oreal lash parallels. And we're gonna put on false lashes. We're gonna put on the Allure London Definitions. These are my big chunky babies that I like to use. It's these. You know? We're gonna go bold. This is, you know, big festive look. But it's so wearable, like, oh man. And I'm using my Duo Lash Glue with extra emphasis on the corners. And in the meantime, we're gonna start on the lips. It's gonna be Dose of Colors Date Night. The way I like to apply red lipstick, or red anything, mainly because I can't just go from like the little applicator and just, no. I end up looking like a hot chicken mess. So I like to get a brush, very much like this one, very thin, and I like to coat it, and then I like to go with the actual shape of my lips like that. And it definitely takes longer, but it definitely looks better. I don't think I'm going to be able to finish my lips before I have to stop to put on my lashes, but it's okay. So I like to start at the top, on the top lip, up the side, and just oh, feeling my skin. Are you ready? I think I need to. Ooh, do you like this? Alright guys, this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Damn, I wish I could go out because I would wear this out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you again for watching. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell. Make sure you notified, giving me a thumbs up, everything. Yeah, I hope you guys are excited for more content, and again, happy Cinco de Mayo and Independence Day to any and every single person out there. I know that Cinco de Mayo is not really our holiday, but we all celebrate with you guys, so this is a good look. This is exactly what I would wear to celebrate. This is what I would wear with my tequila if I drank tequila, but I don't like to drink. I think that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. I'm so excited with how this came out. I think I look so much better than I thought I would look. Any other requests? Please let me know in the comments. I will be very, very happy to help to create them all for you guys. And yeah, that's it for now. Again, don't leave without being subscribed, and make sure you follow me on all my social medias. Everything is linked down below. Yeah, I like this. Oh my god, these hairs. So we're just gonna pray for the best, and I hope you don't sweat. They're really hard, and they go, it's like a this way. Alright, so let me just wait this out, it's dying.